So today we're using the FATMAX 1200 amp charger and compressor. So our tire goes up to 14 psi. We're gonna put about 10 in it. So you can go ahead and take the nozzle off, take the cap off. We're gonna go ahead and screw on our hose. Screw it to the right. Screw it to the right. Turn the switch to the right. Okay, put our compressor, put it to 10. No, go to 10. Now push compress. Push compress. We got this at stopped at 10. So we got this for like 99 bucks or 89 bucks. We got it at Sam's. It's a workhorse, so I recommend it. We use it to jump cars, air up tires, and you can use it for a battery source or to charge tablets, cell phones, whatever you need to charge. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe for us, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.